This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include dual power seats, air conditioning, a DVD player, leather steering wheel trim, a multi-link rear suspension, running boards, traction control and stability control systems, external temperature display, and a navigation system. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Waxahachie Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2401 North Interstate 35 East in Waxahachie.